What up, y'all? Today's video, I'm going to be doing the technical analysis on the stock Amazon.com. AMZN is the ticker. We've been getting spammed for my technical analysis after today's moonshot of a day, up 15.32% on the day, regular trading hours. Anyway, let's take a look at this. So, what I like to see, all right, so I start on the 12-month chart, the biggest time frame. Sometimes I draw my own 5-year chart. Anyway, we go to the 12-month chart. Bullish. It's looking kind of interesting, but even this is a pretty strong candle. We got a big wick, gave you some greens, Then this one's bullish too, and this is a big move right here. Bam, right? It's not going to go up forever. It might come down. It might, look at this. Big move. It's down, bound for a big move. Now on the 2-year chart, this is a wick. This is one of these, right? Right. So this would have closed red like this. Here's a wick. Wick down, right here, close. Anyway, 6-month chart. See, I was getting a little scared, and it's still early. Could be manipulating. You never know. Might take out the high, then go low, or it might just be fooling everybody, Because you can see we're moving good. Got above this high, holding it. Still going up, but, we're kind of stalling, We're not, But, I guess it's just giving the market a chance. I got to sip on my tea right quick. And then this, look at this. Look at this wick. Now, what I like to do with the wicks, I like to use them for some levels, right? Here's my levels. Level here, level here, level here. So what you could do, you can take trades based on the levels. Look how easy this is. Get out of my screen! I guess you couldn't do it. I guess this move, I didn't realize. Holy fuck. This move, bro. So I guess you can't do it here in this scenario. But you can see how bullish we are, right? So a lot of you fuckers, you bought this candle right here, right? That's fine. But look at this big imbalance. Price is allowed to come all the way down here to fill it. It's imbalanced price. It's got to get filled, right? But you dumb fucks bought up here, and I guarantee you got scared and you sold this candle. Well, you should have been buying this candle, you dumb fucks. This is literally simple. This range right here, you draw it out. Boom. Now, whenever price gets below this 50 line, you should be buying. Right? Buying. This is technically a discount. This is a premium. If you're buying above here, you're buying at a higher price. If you're buying here, you're buying at a good price, basically. Now, you just don't buy. You got to let it show signs. Here is a good sign, right? Now, I would have probably got scared. I can't lie. I would have probably got out if it closed like this. Look how big this move is. Came right into this fair value gap, right? It just depends how you trade. Me, I would have got out. I would have at least took my profit because this is not as strong as it should. It should just here and boom. But especially after a move like this. Anyway, it came down. Gave you another entry. Now you can use this as support, right? An order block. Draw out your wick, your candle order block. Boom. You use this as your risk. Okay. I can stay in the fucking trade. I can. I wouldn't put this as my stop. I'd put it like right here. But if you were to use the stop, you'd have still been in the trade. Doesn't mean you can't make money or get in if you sell. You'll drop into a smaller time frame. Then you see a gappy-ish like this. I can't lie. I don't think I would have got this in this move, bro. But look at this big gap. You can enter here. You could have entered here. This is basically a big order block. Once again, risk. Here's your risk. So you buy here. You know you're targeting the highs at least, right? Especially on this monthly chart. This is your range. Your target's up here, as is then down here. That's a great risk to reward, bro. So this line is your target up here, right? If you would have got in here, I guess I wouldn't. This move's kind of insane though after earnings. Fuck. But you could have took it. I'm saying you can in hindsight, right? Order block. This is all support. If it's bullish, it shouldn't come below. If it goes below, get out of the trade. What are you doing? If it goes below here, why are you in the trade still? Your stop should be 50% of this. It should be this gap. If it gets in here, why am I in this trade? Risk management, man. 1% of your account. Telling you, you can play the long game, bro. And then if you were to lose, you can lose 10 of these. You can lose 10 trades in a row. And then the one trade, boom, you're still up money. The one trade you get in like this, you catch a move like this, you catch a nasty 15%er, you're up. If you risk 1%, that's nothing on your account, bro. To make one 15% move, it's more common than it ain't. You can still have a 25% win rate and make a lot of money. You got to have risk management. Fuck your strategy. Risk management, man. Now, as of right now, I don't know where the fuck this is going. This is really bullish. Closed here on the week. Closed here on the month. I mean, if I were to have my targets, let me draw out my targets right quick. So my target's this at least for the next month. It should touch this. If it touches it, I'm getting out because it usually reacts to this line. It can go here. It can even double this and go up to here. Now within the month, I don't know, maybe the end of the year for sure. I can't say for sure. But you can expect the next year it should touch the 380s. Should if it's a bullish stock. Once again, risk management. How do you want to trade? Long term? Throw money in, forget about it. A lot of you dumbasses are long term on a stock, but you look at the fucking daily chart. Oh, you're long term on fucking Amazon, and you're looking at this. Why aren't you looking here? Where the fuck are you? Why are you getting out? You should have been buying these wicks, you dumb fuck. All the red is the wick. Anyway, I'm done rambling. I think this fucker's... Yeah, I think this shit's gonna rip, man. Now, be careful buying up here. But once again, this is an order block, basically. Now, price can come all the way back and fill it. So you gotta have risk management. The way this moved, I mean, moving like a meme coin, I don't know, man. It's not my type of play. I like good plays. This is just hype. Now, it's Amazon. If you're long term, fuck, I'm bullish on Amazon long term, but I don't trade long term. I day trade. I swing trade. I don't day trade. I swing trade. Anyway, what'd you learn from this video? Comment down below. I learned that risk management is greater than your strategy because no one's strategy is perfect. To be honest, every strategy sucks and loses because you don't know where it's going. This is all random shit. Controlled by what? News and other bullshit that can screw you. So if you have your stop losses, you're fine. If you know how much you want to lose, you're fine. You just got to use your brain. Stop using your dick, your ass. Use your brain to think. Anyway, I'm done rambling. Hope you get my likes, subscribe, and